cities has issued a tornado warning for western Sherburne County, southeastern Stearns County, northern Wright County, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:04 p.m., radar indicated a storm capable of producing a tornado. The most dangerous part of the storm was near Fairhaven, or over Fairhaven, and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Fairhaven, South Haven, Annandale, St. Augusta, Clearwater, Hasty, Clear Lake, Enfield, Becker, Monticello, Big Lake, Santiago, Silver Creek. When a tornado warning is issued based on radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground, or is expected to develop shortly. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Tuesday evening for southern Minnesota.